Hi guys. So I have been wondering about today actually. I had a really nice open house last week and I had a bunch of people coming through. We had really good conversations and I met really nice and cool people. So I thought we have an open house this Saturday, which you may or may not have seen my Facebook live thread that I posted. But it was very, very slow. So I was wondering why that was, or what was going on. What changed between last week and this week? Well, now I have to tell you that I am convinced that half of Minnesota shuts down during hunting season. And it's hunting season. I should have known this because my guys are gone. They're off hunting, traipsing through the woods while I'm here. Not that I would want to go hunting. I'm not a hunting person. Maybe house hunting. But that was funny, right? Not so much, I know. But anyway, so I just wanted to let you guys know, if you need something or somebody to help you with your real estate stuff, I'm here. I'm not hunting. So give me a holler, call me, text, whatever. Let me know. I'm here to help during hunting season and the rest of the year. All right. My phone number, by the way, is 612-345-9070. 612-345-9070. Yeah. All right. You have a great weekend, and I talk to you soon. Bye.